The default Scrivener interface uses the standard colors and fonts of the operating system you use it on, whether on Mac OS or Windows. But if you'd rather have your copy of Scrivener display differently, you can tweak the fonts and colors and save these settings as themes. Maybe you're tired of the boring white and gray interface elements of Mac OS or Microsoft Windows. Perhaps you're writing something where having some bright colors might inspire you. Maybe you don't see well with the default colors and want to change them to have more contrast. Or perhaps you'd prefer different fonts in the interface, or even just different sizes for the fonts. The most basic change you might want to make is to switch from a light theme to a dark theme. You can do this on Mac by choosing Scrivener, Appearance, then Dark or Light. On Windows, choose Window, Theme, Dark Mode. But Scrivener gives you more than those two options. By default, there are 5 themes available from the Scrivener Theme submenu on Mac, and 9 in the Window Themes submenu on Windows. Their names suggest what they look like. You can also create your own themes. If you go to Scrivener, Settings, Appearance on Mac, or File, Options, Appearance on Windows, you can see that many of the options in the sidebar show a Colors tab when you click them. Let's say you want to change the color of the binder background. Click Binder in the sidebar, then click Colors. Click the color swatch, use the color picker to choose your color, and use the opacity slider to determine how saturated you want the color to be. You can repeat this for many of the other interface elements: the corkboard, index card background, the main editor, outliner, scratchpad, and more. Note that you can always reset colors by clicking Use Default Color for each interface element. In the Fonts tab for each element, you can also choose a different font if you don't like the default. This is useful if you want to change the size of fonts for some interface elements. To save these settings so you can switch to them when you want, click the Manage menu and choose Save Theme. Enter a name and choose which settings are included in the theme. When you save a theme, you'll be able to access it from the Manage menu in the Appearance settings, as well as from the Scrivener Themes or Window Themes submenu. Themes are a great way of customizing Scrivener's interface, making it yours. Whether you want to change colors or fonts, you can customize many elements of the Scrivener interface and save the settings to use when you want. You can download a 30-day free trial of Scrivener for Mac or Windows at scrivener.com.